And Baba was like, don't pay mortgage, buy it.
तो शांति, तो जब ऊपर ओम शांति भवन भी बहुत
So when Om Shanti Bhavan, which is upstairs in Mount Abu, also became very small. And, the halls was really small when Baba's turn was there, season was there. And as soon as you go in Shantivan, now the gates have changed. But there used to be a huge tree. And all over the tree, there used to be a cement, like a pavement around it. And dadis and all of us would go and sit, especially in the month of February. There would be green chana, and it was fresh chana, like chickpeas, fresh chickpeas. So they would go and eat. So they would spend some time over there and come. When it was initially, that's what was there. And they would look at the property and come up.
फिर दादी प्रकाश मणि बार कहे कितना विस्तार क्यों करें.
So there was a lot of conversation and discussion, how much expansion that we should do. This is a big one. And then Baba said, no, child, there is a necessity. Many children have not made their fortune, so you should create something. So initially Baba had mentioned that make a lot of bathrooms and then a little bit of residence and then the hall. The Diamond Hall came into existence came into existence much later. Initially, it was something small. And when Shantivan was constructed and inaugurated for the first meeting, 10,000 people. Dadi ji was very good in administration and organization. I used to be with her in the car to go to Om Shanti Bhavan to listen to the Murli. And the brother who used to do the purchasing, she would call him and say, how much rice do you buy for 1,000 people? So she said, okay, 10 times of that will be how much? So make it 10 times. So you make toli, right? So you make popcorn, whatever, whether puff rice, anything now, make it 10 times of that. Make it 10 times. Whatever you bought, make it 10 times. So she made all the arrangements. Dadi Janki shared that when Baba gets any task done, it is always successful. In the inauguration, 10,000 people are there, so it's worth it, isn't it? Whatever cost went into it, it was worth it because everybody got to stay, everybody got to sit comfortably, everybody got Brahma Bhojan. Initially, we didn't have that much facility to stay, accommodate, so they had to put like a marquee, like a tent. And when it would rain, they would roll up and they would sleep in the veranda, like
तो इस तरह से
so in this way, the Shantivan service began. We used to miss Om Shanti Bhavan so much. And then slowly, people, BK, started to buy property right opposite to the Shantivan, because then the BK colony came into existence. Even now, many people have that thought. If there is any place very close to Madhuban, let's go by. And there, instead of staying here and there, it's good to stay close to Baba's home. So a lot of BKs started to stay there, and the population went on increasing. And Baba said the system has been made that, like Suraj Bhai, who is there, he took care of all the cooking aspect. Initially it was Pandavavan, and then Gyan Sarovar came into existence, and then Shantivan came into existence. And there was only one person who gave the program for all the three. Do this much. And whoever is to buy items, groceries, there is a Kumar, is a young. He came very young to Baba's home. Said, I'm here from 15 years. And then he's been buying vegetables and milk. He has a couple of trucks from the night, 10 o'clock, they start going. So everything started to expand. So instead of one, they used to make it 10 times of that. So I used to feel that how is Dadi able to do everything so easily? Even we feel when even for 10 people, and for her, there's thousands of people, 10,000 people are come, and they all get gift. That many get toli, that many, so much toli was being made. So, and the brothers and sisters who used to make toli, they made a system, the Sevadharis as well. So they made a system that whosoever's turn is there, that many Sevadhari. Like they bring for security, they bring for cooking, for cleaning, for a lot of volunteers they used to bring. There's a system about 1200 or so now this time they were getting about 2000 Sevadharis, and they come about 8 days prior to Baba's meeting and they take care of all of that. So all the administration goes very well. And Avyak Bap Dada comes, meets everyone, and there is also a time when Baba's chariot, because of health issues of Baba's chariot, no, Bap Dada didn't come. So then people started to say, okay, like the way, how we are revising Sakar Murli, let's start revising Avyakt Murli. Look, even now, the number of people have increased anywhere and continue to increase. They come to Madhuban. You might have observed and seen that initially it was just Shantivan. Now that also has expanded to Manmohini Van. Very beautifully done. A lot of bhavans have been created. Then Anand Bhavan. There's Anand Sarovar. Man Sarovar has also been created. Tapovan. Shakti Sarovar. Lot of other expansion campuses have been created. So somewhere there is bhattis, somewhere there's conference happening, different wings are having their programs. Every building, not during the days of Baba's season, but either before or after, there's a lot of seva which goes on. Every building is used. And if it is just left empty, then they feel that it was not a necessity, but we have never felt it so far. It is really Baba's magic that every building is used throughout the year. And whatever is our responsibility, we do that. Didi, in listening to your life journey, you came to Baba as a teenager and you've taken 11 years with Sakar Baba. In 20s, you started Seva. In 30s, you went to foreign country. In 40s, you went to different countries. You started different service stations. Baba gave you so many responsibility at a very young age. He made you instrument. And we'll come back to New York at this moment. You shared about Guyana, New York service, how apart from an apartment to Queen's House became Baba's own property. And then in the 90s, Harmony House, Global Harmony House, Avyakti Bhavan, that where we are seated, that also came into. What happened next? And then how Madhuban expansion happened and Shantivan. And here also in USA, Peace Village also came into existence. That also has its own story. And in Bharat, lot of expansion, how many big bhavans. So in all the four directions, there has been a lot of expansion. So now let's come back to New York. So please share with us how Peace Village came into existence, how it started, how was it inauguration, because it was very unique. We have been hearing about it. So now today we would like to listen to it in detail. American region is huge because it's two continents, North and South. There's Spanish countries and North and South America. There are two continents. It's very huge. So in all the centers, Baba's children are in all four directions. We go to Madhuban, but there are many times they can't go. So Dadi Janki had a lot of thought that every year you come twice a year. We used to go to twice a year and do a retreat. We used to clean it. We would take in all the cooking items in a trunk because for 3 days we need to have food. So a lot of energy was invested and time. It's a good thing, but this retreat place, they're usually empty and they advertise. So wherever we are currently in Peace Village, it was it was going to be auctioned nationally, and we had some cooperative souls, and Ram Prakash Bhai, and we all went in the van, and it was getting auctioned. You understand what is an auction, right? So you keep auctioning different quantity, 1.2 million. No, you keep telling different quantity, and we had kept a name. Oh, we gave. Okay, we'll go up to 2. Of course, we didn't have that much money at all. I said, if Baba is saying, then Baba will get it. Baba will give. I saw that inside you should have that faith that whatever is Baba's, nobody can take. And if it is not belonging to Baba, it will go. And you should never feel sorrow. So somewhere we were getting a property, and somebody said, no, bet it, auctioned more. And somebody felt really bad. And so we never felt like that. So when we were auctioning, somebody took 2.1 and they took the property. And some of our sisters, they felt really sad. And we were like, why are you sad? We have the money anyway. And I'm sitting there. And we had left in the early morning. We had cooked and taken. We were tired. And I fell asleep. Sitting in the van, I fell asleep and I saw a scene. And I felt that this is Madhuban, that there is this mountain, and there's a small lake there. Said, this is the Nakki Lake. No, she started to have this vision. And when we didn't get, said, it's okay. So I was feeling that in Peace Village, when we get Peace Village, the responsibility increased. There's a lot of things. I used to travel 7 months a year. So 3-4 months I would be in Madhuban. 7 months traveling. So we came back after the auction. After 2 months, we got a call. We used to call him Mr. A. He was an Italian. It's an Italian property. And people from France and Italy, they keep everything in good quality. So he called and said that party couldn't buy because they didn't get that kind of money. They give you 2 months to do a payment till you make an arrangement for the money. So they couldn't get it. So then they called us. So we said we negotiated it. That come, make it a little less and less. And we took it. And Dadi Janki, because she had said, Avyak Bapdada also had said to take. If Baba and Dadi are saying, so what is it for us to think? And Dadi Janki said, for the first time in the world, it was announced that all of you help. So even China, it was a very poor country at that time. Every country gave a little bit. And we also got some contribution. And our brothers and sisters took some big loan. And we gave the money and we bought it. But for 4 years, that property was not used. So we need to do a renovation. And where Baba's room is, the foundation, it was very old. Everything was like broken. So we started to invest in everything. And that time it was different, but now, this is 25 years ago. But now construction material is so expensive. Even if little, if you do something. But according to drama, we kept getting the Bandari. We started to repair it. The Inspiration Hall, that's the big hall in Peace Village where we have our regular classes. So Dadi Janki came in April. We had just bought the property. So we have her break a coconut. Dadi Janki went to the small hall. And after 2-3 months, Dadi Prakashmani came. I think we did it final in the month of March. And in May, Dadiji came because the weather is good at that time. You will see a beautiful video in Brother Montreal, Brother Eric had created. And that time, 600 people came for the inauguration. So we cooked for 600 people. And this big hall was actually a swimming pool. You see, we don't need a swimming pool. There were 4 swimming pools. So it was here, there. So we closed all the swimming pools. And at the bottom, we converted into a storage, whatever is storage, like chairs and everything. When it is necessary, we take out all those chairs. We made a huge hall out of the swimming pool. So Baba's magic, miracle. So they said it'll take you $30,000 for rooms and for all this construction. It kept happening. It kept getting done. 100,000 and it became more. So we did the opening as well. Dadi Prakashmani came and she liked it so much that, and we took her by the lake and we immersed lighted candles, floating candles, and we in the kingdom of Ravan, Baba has got such a huge property. And Ravan will not get any land in Ram's kingdom in Golden Age. And these were the elevated versions of Dadi Prakashmani. And she hoisted the flag. She had bought Karachi halwa. And she gave 3 toli to all the 600 people. She was so happy because it was an expansion of the Yajna. So naturally, she was the main and she was really happy. So beautiful and so big. The whole property of Abu is for 50 acres and we had 300 acres because it's mountain area. 10 acres of land is where the buildings are and the rest is like nature. So with zeal and enthusiasm. And when the inauguration was happening, Dadi Janki also was there. She didn't have any worry. So we had thought estimate was 30,000. It is now 130,000. So she said, don't worry, it'll come. It'll come. And in 5 minutes, a brother comes and says, the stock has a very good value. And I want to encash the stock. And it is about 130,000. And I want to give it to Baba. In 1 minute, just how much we needed, that much we got. So the faith kept on increasing. As our lawyer would say, it's easy to buy an elephant, but it's very difficult to feed an elephant. So it's not my elephant and I don't have to feed it. It's Baba's elephant and he'll keep feeding the elephant. And at every step, one night, the roof is very short. So if anything would happen, like if it was raining or thunderstorm, you would listen, you could hear. But Mother Nature loves me because I keep talking to Mother Nature. So one night, she had a little concern and worry. And then Baba says,
विश्वास है ना मेरे ऊपर? मैंने कहा
You
पूरा
have
है।
faith in me? I
तो
said, yes,
बाबा कहता है चिंता और
completely.
विश्वास तो इकट्ठे नहीं चलते हैं।
So
तो
worry
मैंने कहा ठीक है बाबा, हम
worry and
कभी
faith don't go
जिंदगी
hand in
में
hand.
विश्वास की आदत पे
And I
चलेंगे।
said, okay, Baba, I will
कैसे
never
कहते हैं,
worry. I will walk
जैसे
on
कि
the
हमने
path of faith.
बहुत मिरेकल्स देखे।
And as if
अभी
I've
तो
seen
आप
a lot,
25
I've
साल में
seen a
देखेंगे
lot of
जितने
miracles. And
करीब
now you'll see in
तीन
25
गुना
years,
ज्यादा
now it is
हर
3
चीज
times of what
सब नया था। फिर क्या होता है,
everything
देखो
is
कोई
new.
भी कोशिश ही होनी चाहिए जगह को
You should
खाली नहीं
always,
रखना,
you should always have
एम्प्टी
the
रखना,
aim that never have
क्योंकि नई
anything
एनर्जी
closed.
जो होती है
Use
ना
it
उनका
because there are a
सामर्थ्य
lot of
होता है।
energy
तो
and
एक
that
भाई
gets
था
used
वो
like
आया,
that.
एक एक कमरे में
So
गया,
there was a brother who came. He went to
कितना
every
निवास
room.
था कईयों का, ऐसे करते करते सब
How many are
टेलीविजन हटा दिए।
resident? So they
उसने
moved
कहा
all the
कि
television.
जैसे अंदर से वो
So
सफाइयाँ
he
की,
cleaned. No, all of internal cleaning was
काफी
done as well in the
मेहनत किया
building.
उन्होंने, सभी ने
The
मिलके।
Brahmins did a lot of
आजकल तो
effort.
फिर भी हम लोग हेल्प ले लेते हैं मेड
These
वगैरह
days
की,
now we take help
और
of
उन
a
दिनों
maid,
में
but
तो
those
अफोर्ड
days
भी
we
नहीं कर
couldn't. We
सकते
couldn't
थे,
even
खुद ही
afford a
करते
maid.
थे।
We used to do
तो
everything on
कैसे
our
करते
own.
करते आज
Doing
सफलता
that
ये है
way,
कि
the
कभी खाली नहीं
success is
होता,
that it is
और
never
जितने
empty.
हम रख सकते हैं उससे ज्यादा
And
ही हम
how much ever we can
पहुंचाते
keep,
हैं। बस
we usually
रजिस्ट्रेशन
get
बंद
calls
कर
for
देते
more
हैं
than that, but we close our
कि आपका
registration
जगह
that
नहीं
we
है,
are full,
क्योंकि
that we don't
निवासी
have
7
any
8 थे, 13
capacity.
14 थे,
13,
विषय
14
निषेध थे।
residents. Now
तो
about
उनको
24
भी तो अभी
residents are
कमरा
there.
दिया हुआ है
We
कि
have given them
निवासियों
also
को भी
one
जल्दी
room.
से सारा
We
प्रबंध हो।
need to keep
किचन
proper
की 2 बार
arrangement for
बना
the
करके
residents as well. The
एक
kitchen
साइड
was
पर
expanded
बेकिंग वगैरह
twice.
का बनाया
And
है।
one side there
दीदी
is
ये
baking
1999
facility.
में उद्घाटन हुआ था ना।
So it was
एक
inaugurated
और
in the year
बहुत
1999,
बड़ी
isn't
सेवा
it?
की एक
And there
निर्माण में
was a
हुई
big, very big
1999 में,
seva in
जिसकी बाबा आज
1999.
तक भी महिमा करते हैं,
So Baba
द कॉल ऑफ
praises
द
that
टाइम।
even today, and
सो
that was call of
उसमें भी
time.
आप भी एक निमित्त हैं।
In that you are also
उसकी
instrument for
शुरुआत
that.
की कुछ क्षणों के बारे में
Any
मतलब
thing
कुछ
about the
अनुभव।
beginning of that time you want to share?
एक बात और मैं सुनाना चाहती हूँ कि
I would like to
हमेशा
share one more thing.
एक
Um,
न्यूज़ चैलेंजिंग होती है, एक खुशखबरी होती है।
there is always one
तो
challenging
पीस
news
विलेज
and
हम
one good
देखने जा
news.
रहे थे उन दिनों
So
में,
when we
तो
went to see
थोड़ा
Peace
मेरी
Village,
तबीयत उन दिनों में ठीक
and
नहीं थी,
those days
तो
my
मुझे एक
health
बड़ी
wasn't that
सर्जरी के
good.
लिए जाना
I
पड़ा,
had to
सीनों की
undergo a
सर्जरी,
very big surgery.
जैसे
So everybody's
दादी
heart
कहती
was
कहती है
making
बाबा
emotional. So
प्रकृति को
Dadi
बना रहे हैं
Janki would
कि
say,
यही
Baba
प्रकृति से
is
मुक्त
making
हो
you
जाए।
conqueror of elements, and
हमेशा
this
बाबा
elements
कहते हैं
will do a
प्रकृति ही
lot of seva.
सबका एक
She's being
निमित्त कारण है।
conqueror of
जब
element,
ठीक हो गए तो फिर तो
and I became all
मैं पीछे
right.
की बिल्डिंग में रहती थी, जो
I
बिल्डिंग
used to
थी
stay the
वहाँ
building
से
number
आना
3 in the
जाना
Lotus House
बहुत
building in Peace
बहुत
Village.
अच्छी तरह
Uh,
से कर
so
पाने लगी।
coming, and I was
तो
able to go
मैं
back and
हमेशा
forth.
2 बातें याद रखती हूँ। बाबा
So I
कहते हैं
always
चिंता नहीं
remember,
करो,
don't
और जो भी
worry,
विघ्न आते हैं
walk
वो
on the
आपकी
faith.
प्रकृति
The
देती है।
whatever obstacles
नहीं,
come, that's come to
कर
make you
बांधन
conqueror
प्रकृति की
um,
माया जीत कर मानती
of
है।
vices,
ऐसा दादी
conqueror
कहती
of
कहती है। मैंने
Maya,
कहा
conqueror of
क्या था
vices,
कि
Maya, and elements.
समय प्रति समय ये सोचते थे कि नया कैसे
Time to
करें।
time, we would
तो बाबा
always think
कहते हैं
what
रखिए
new can be
वीआईपी,
done.
वो कैसे
So
करें।
Baba would say,
तो
bring VIPs. So
मैनहट्टन
how
में
do we bring
जब
VIPs? So in
मैनहट्टन मिला
Manhattan,
ना तो उसकी भी बहुत ही
when we
हिस्ट्री है।
got, there's a big history behind the Manhattan
मैनहट्टन
Center
के
as
बाद
well.
दादी जानकी ने एक मीटिंग रखी,
Dadi Janki
जिसमें
organized
जितने
a
लोग भी
meeting in
आजमाए
Manhattan
उनको काबू
where there were
किया,
few
करीब 10
cooperative
साल
souls and
लगे।
few Baba's children, about 10, 15 of us were there.
तो दादी ने कहा कि समय क्या कह रहा है
So
अभी,
Dadi said, what
समय क्या कह रहा है।
is the
तो
call of
उसी
the
एक
time?
करीबी
What is the
आत्मा ने
time
कहा
talking to you?
कॉल
So
ऑफ
one of the
टाइम है ना,
cooperative
तो
souls
समय
say,
की पुकार है।
it's the call of time.
तो उसके
It's the
बाद
call
में
of time.
कॉल ऑफ टाइम शुरू हुआ,
So then the call of
और
time
फिर उन्हीं
started.
दिनों में एक वीआईपी
And
है
those
पीटर
days there was
संगे,
a VIP.
उस समय
Because his
उसकी
name was
किताब
Peter
थी 7
Sangay.
स्टेप्स,
And he had
समथिंग
written a
समथिंग
book,
बहुत
7
पॉपुलर
Steps of
थी,
something, which was very
जिसमें वो
popular.
बिजनेस वालों को 7 वैल्यू
It was
सिखाता
for,
रहता था।
he was sharing values,
तो
about
उसको
values to
यूएन में
business
भी
people.
बुलाया
So we
लेक्चर्स
had
के लिए,
called him to UN as well to give a
बॉस्टन
lecture.
में रहता है।
He
और
stays
जो
in
हमारी
Boston.
रीटा बहन है उनका
And Sister
बहुत
Rita,
क्लोज
who's the
फ्रेंड है।
instrument, is a very
रीटा
close
उनका
friend of
सारा
her.
वर्ल्ड में लेक्चर्स ऑर्गेनाइज करती थी।
Sister Rita is to
बहुत अच्छी
organize
बात है, बहुत
lectures all
जॉब
over the
की तरह था,
world.
लेकिन
It was her
बहुत
job,
मित्रता थी।
but she was like, they both had
बस
very good
तो फिर
friendship.
उन दिनों में फिर लंदन में रिट्रीट प्लेस मिला।
And then those days, they also got the place in Retreat Center in London, Global Retreat Center. It's a very beautiful, it's not very big, but it's very beautiful.
पीटर सेंगे के साथ वहाँ पर हमने
So along with
पहले
Peter Senge,
call of time
we
पहला
did the call of time, first call of time
क्रमानुसार अभी
in
तक भी
London.
चल रहे
According to
हैं।
drama,
इस
it's
village
still
में दो
going
हैं,
on.
एक silence का,
There's
एक
two
dialogue।
retreats. One is a call of time dialogue, and there was a silence retreat.
एक समझ
Dialogue.
हम लोगों को मिली कि dialogue
We
में
got to
अगर
understand that those dialogues,
जैसे किसी ने कुछ कहा
if
आप
anybody said
continue नहीं कर
anything,
सकते, ना जवाब
you
देना
can't
है,
continue about
आपके
it,
दिल की
nor
बात है।
answer. I mean,
आपके
you
अंदर
can't
जो
even react.
feelings है
What
वो
is your
बताना।
feeling? Share
ये नहीं
that
बोला
one.
कि नहीं, जैसे कई बार कहते हैं जैसा आपने कहा
Now, sometimes you
वो
say,
नहीं
oh,
करना।
just as you
मेरे
said.
अंदर में
No,
ऐसी
don't
feelings
say
आ
that.
रही थी, मुझे
This
क्या
is
सुनाई दे
the,
रहा है,
what is the
मुझे
call of
क्या
your time?
ऊपर
What
का
is your feeling? What is the voice?
करते करते
What is the voice
काफी
inside you
समझ में फिर
sharing?
हम लोग फिगर आउट कर रहे थे।
So that is the
That
kind
time
of conversations that
hundreds
they have.
में VIPs
So
जिन्होंने
we
अटेंड
have
किया, सभी
hundreds
लीडर्स
of
थे
VIPs have
हमारे।
attended there,
और
mostly in
फिर
leadership
लंदन में
positions.
कंस्ट्रक्शन
And then
चल रही है
in London,
अभी इस
construction was
साल
going
वहाँ
on.
पर
So
end
this
of
year,
अप्रैल में
in the month of
वो
April,
वहाँ
end of
पर
April,
साइलेंस
they are going to be
retreat
doing
है।
silence retreat
आज ही मुझे
in
डेट्स
London.
वगैरह बता रहे थे।
Today only they were telling me the
और
dates.
पीस विलेज में भी
And in
एक में
Peace
चार्ली
Village,
भाई आते हैं, एक में
and
जयंती
one
बहन आती है।
Brother Charlie comes, and the other,
मधुबन में भी
the Jayantiban come.
अक्टूबर में तो इस बार
In the month,
लगभग
Madhuban, it's the month of
40-45 से
October.
एक्सपेक्ट करते
We
हैं, इस बार
were
तो 70 लोग थे।
30 to 40, but this time they had
एक
about
बहुत
70
अच्छी
people.
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बनी है लीडर्स
Because
की।
it's a
जो
very good
लीडर्स
group and
कंपनीज
organization of the
से रिटायर
leaders.
होते हैं,
So those who retire from big
उन्होंने
companies,
अपनी एक संस्था बनाई है
they
कि
have made an
एक दूसरे की
organization
बातें सुने,
so
परिवार
they
की
can listen to
समस्या
each
सुने,
other, listen
अपनी
to the
आध्यात्मिक
situation of their families,
तो
of
उन्होंने
spiritual
क्यूबेक में
development.
बहनों को बुलाया होगा।
So they called the
फिर
sisters
एरिक
in
मॉन्ट्रियल
Quebec,
वाले भाई
and Brother
गए,
Eric from Montreal
फिर
had
उन्होंने
visited
अपने
there,
पास बुलाया, सब आए
and
कहते हैं क्यूबेक
everybody
से
came.
मॉन्ट्रियल।
They came from
फिर उनको
Quebec
वो
to
मधुबन का
Montreal,
निमंत्रण दिया तो
and they
तैयार
gave
हो
the
गए।
invitation to Madhuban, and they all
17-18
came.
वो लोग थे,
So 17 to
तो
18
अच्छा
people
बहुत
came from
अच्छा
there.
ग्रुप था।
So it was
और
a very good group.
तो 3 सवेरे लेसन कराते हैं, आत्मा, परमात्मा और कर्मों पर, और उसी पर
They
ही
have
दिन
3
भर
lessons,
डायलॉग
Atma,
चलता है।
Paramatma,
और
and Supreme
और जो
Soul, and
आनंद
Karma. And they
होता
have
है
a
ये
dialogue. It's about 5
कंटिन्यूटी में
days.
रहते हैं।
So
कई
one day
अच्छा
they
शॉपिंग
arrive,
करते हैं, उनको
and
शॉपिंग
I think they do a little shopping on one of the days, and this 3 days is properly they have their sessions, and those
थैंक यू।
conversations, dialogue goes on till
आगे भी
now.
बहुत कुछ सुनते रहेंगे।
Okay, we'll keep continuing to
सुनिएगा।
listen.
थैंक यू आज के लिए, धन्यवाद। ओम शांति।
Shanti.